Best deals. 1. Electric Vegetable Chopper. This mini rechargeable electric veggie hand chopper with sharp stainless steel blades for quick and uniform cutting of garlic, onions, peppers, and more. Dicer have detachable transparent container with measurement markings allows for easy cleaning and precise portion control. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Storage bag. Designed with a strong airtight seal, the storage bag protects grains, rice, flour, and dry foods from moisture, humidity, and pests. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Egg cracker. Quickly and cleanly crack eggs without worrying about shells getting into your dish for a mess-free experience. Crafted from high-quality materials, this egg cracker is built to last and is easy to rinse clean after use. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mortar pestle set. This large block-shaped grinder offers ample space for wet grinding and crushing multiple ingredients effortlessly. Perfect for heavy-duty use and preparing substantial quantities, saving time and effort. Crafted from solid natural stone, provides superior stability on any countertop. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Scrubber. Made of high-quality stainless steel, last and resist wear and tear. One step further, the handle is made of high-quality stainless steel for a comfortable grip and long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ice cube bottle. Made from high-quality, food-grade plastic that is reusable, eco-friendly, and safe for daily use. Ideal for home, kitchen, office, picnics, outdoor camping, and travel hydration needs. Slim, vertical structure fits easily into any freezer without occupying much space. Dishwasher safe and freezer safe for convenient maintenance. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Garlic mincer. With a slight back and forth rocking motion, easily crush or mince garlic. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Steel ball tea infuser. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Tea infusers typically allow more room for tea leaves to expand compared to tea bags, resulting in a fuller and more robust flavor profile. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Sink faucet. Sponge caddy organizer soap dish rack is made by stainless steel. The caddy holder construction is rust-proof, waterproof, anti-scratch and anti-deformation. Sink sponge caddy organizer is suited for keeping sponge, bush, washing liquid orderly in kitchen. It can be a soap holder, shower caddy rack in bathroom and other scenes. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Chopping board. The 2.5 cm wide right angle side and the countertop form an angle of 90 degrees, which can perfectly fit the kitchen tabletop, making the cooking process easier and more convenient. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Strainer. Use it to get smooth, homemade nut milk by straining out pulp effortlessly. Use it to remove excess water while making plant-based cheese like peanut cheese or soya cheese or to thicken the curds. It's clean and easy to use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Scrubber. Made of 403 stainless steel with excellent corrosion resistance and friction resistance, it's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Corn peeler. Sharp serrated blade, quickly removes corn kernels with ease, a perfect corn peeler and corn remover tool. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Yolk separator. Easy to use, the egg white separator can separate up to 6 egg yolks at a time, which is more convenient and effective. Safe and durable high quality PP material, non-toxic, long service life and reusable, it's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Knife peeler. This cutter is designed with dual functions. One side as a blade, can be used to cut fruit and vegetable, the other end as a peeler, used to peel fruit and vegetable. Metal clasp can easily open it, it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Trash can. Made of PP plastic with high strength, which ensures the trash can has a longer service life and is more durable. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Chopping board. Safe and long-lasting for everyday usage as it is made from high-quality, food-grade polypropylene plastic. The rugged texture on the front side grants an excellent grip for slicing fruits. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cleaning cloth. Suitable for various cleaning tasks in the kitchen, house, car, and more. The compact size ensures easy handling and storage. Crafted from high-quality microfiber material, these towels are highly absorbent and effective at capturing dust and dirt. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Herb scissors. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen while providing unmatched functionality. Perfect for home cooks and professionals, it's durable. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dough mixer. Lightweight, efficient and high-quality Dutch broom is just perfect for mixing bread dough, cookie dough, pizza dough, pastries. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Chopper. Made of high-quality thick stainless steel material. When using stainless steel kitchen grater, it will not bend or deform easily. It's robust, heat-resistant, acid-proof. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Soap dispenser. This versatile dispenser combines hand soap and cleanser in one, saving space and enhancing convenience for kitchen and bathroom use. Transform your kitchen with this multifunctional stand featuring a soap dispenser, sponge rack, cloth holder, and drain tray. Made from fine quality plastic. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Sealing machine. Machine is proudly made in India. We have used high-quality transformer plus high-quality plug plus heavy-gauge wire so ensures good performance and optimum safety. This is a perfect sealing machine for food packets to seal foil, mylar, chip, cellophane, snack, craft, tea, polyester, PVA, plyofilm, saran and all other heat-sealable material bags. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Mold. The material of the mold is lightweight, washable. Non-staining and non-reactive with food which provides you environment-friendly, healthy and hygienic mold. No any metal screw or hinge used which ensures rust-free and oxide-free mold. Cap for remove and adjustable size big and small these first-time facility. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Coconut meat removal tool. Easily separates coconut flesh from the shell without hassle or mess, ideal for home kitchens and tropical recipes. Ergonomically designed for a non-slip grip, giving you better control and safety during use. Product link is given in the 25th link.